Welcome to my channel, guys. My channel name is 75 English speaking challenge. So guys, today's topic India's population, and guys, I will give you 5 sentences to improve your English speaking, improve your daily communications. So guys, our topic is India population, and I will discuss on India's population. I will tell you the we are facing lot of problems because of our population is so high. So let's get started the video. Watch the video till the end. So first of all, I will tell you about population of India. Like we lack of knowledge, lack of education. That's why people are not aware what they do, because they don't know India's population around 147 crores. So so guys, you know what, we have to do lot of struggle nowadays because of lack of education. Like in our country there are because of population, we have to face service and facilities we less, because around 140 crore people are 140 people 140 crores people live in India. So that's why they unable to get service, and they unable to get facilities, and lack of jobs. Like if you see in India, people are doing depending on farming, because in our India it's 70 to 65 around village in India. So that's why because of you know what, urban areas people are very educated. They know what the expenses they have to other they if they have two more than two children, so they need to be do more efforts. So they decide to do not three, two and one children. They prefer this time. But if you go in a villager side, people are not aware about this thing. They make the children's like around 4 5 6 what they want. Like, so guys, like we will see people are not aware of these things. So the main point is our population day by day increasing, because of there is a no strict rule against born children. Like if you have two children, so you if you have more than two children, your ration card deactivated. So government need to take these kind of decisions, because of they don't take such kind of decision. So we after 5 years our population may be cross 150 crores maybe, because of our population increase 1% in a year. If you see, like in a per year our population may be 1.4 crore increase. It's a report by Indian something, like they mention this thing. So people are like if you see in our country, there are a lot of crimes going on there because of population. Crime also going, and corruption also going, because of people are not getting the service easily. But when Modi ji comes, so they sort out these are problems. Modi's government is very good nowadays. They doing very well. Brother, I today I'm late making video late uh, because of India New Zealand match today happened. So that's why India won the match, and Virat Kohli unfortunately don't make century. He got unable to make century. So that I'm really afraid about this, but yeah, it's okay. Sometime it's happened. So the next point is like population. What is the in India largest youth power in India have, like if you see another countries, they don't have much youth. In our India, we have a lot of youth power. So nowadays in our India, you can see Google store open, and 2 days ago also be Google's phone manufactured by India. So all around in India, Narendra Modi do Narendra Modi do made in India campaign. It's going on all around. If you can say Vande Bharat and RRTS trains and lot of things we made now these days. So yeah, I'm really thankful for Modi all about this. He's doing great. And the next point is like we need to be creates very strict rule against population, because if we not take any kind of action, so we have to pay very huge amount. Like we need to we will face lot of issue. So yeah, uh, so guys, if you can see like our India's population increase day by day. So after 5 months, 5 year, we will see like a rich man become rich and the poor man become poor. It's a process going on these days, because a lack of opportunities, because people are like if someone if someone rich, so he doing well. And if you can see the corruption going on in our India. So like if you can you see in in our Rajasthan, the students are preparing for exam, but they can't get a job because of paper leak process going on. Because sometime people are get the paper, pay the money, get the paper, pay the money. So this kind of process going on. So who student really deserve this job, they can't get the job, and they unable to get the job because of corruption going on. Ashok Gehlot doing nothing about this incident, this process. But Modi take a initiative to do something. I want to support Modi, because if BJP come in Satta, so they will do something better, do better for Congresses. So yeah, I want to BJP supporter, yes. And according to me, Modi doing great. If you can see world on a world level, so our reputation increase day by day. Our reputation is increased day by day because of many like world leader. Our Modi, Prime Minister Modi, is the one get the one position, and its percentage of around 68% he get the votes. And yeah, it's good for our nation. It's a proud moment for our nation. So I that's why I'm supporting Modi. He doing very well for country. You know what, he create an initiative like Swachh Bharat mission. he creating an initiative, Atam Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So a lot of initiative he create. Yeah, I'm really big fan of Modi. If somebody watch this video, so share with Modi ji. I'm biggest fan of Modi ji, because some people are say me, you are an andhbhakt of Modi, because I like him. I'm so like I very much like him, Modi, because Modi is not a prime minister. He's doing very good. Like lot of people are jealous from Modi, because they needed, yaar, because they don't jealous, so how we proud on Modi. Yeah, so it's a good for Modi and us. So guys, I promise you कि I in the end of video I will give you 4 sentence. So let's see the sentence. सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज अबोलिश यानी किसी चीज़ का अंत कर देना। एंड नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज आवर कंट्रीब्यूट, किसी का मतलब किसी चीज़ में भाग लेना, नॉट भाग लेना, देना। कंट्रीब्यूट यानी देना। एंड नेक्स्ट है बिहेवियर यानी आचरण। और हमारा फोर्थ सेंटेंस है डाइवर्ट, यानी उसकी दिशा मोड़ देना, डाइवर्ट करना। ओके ब्रदर, so guys, see you tomorrow. So goodbye, take care, जय राम जी की।